Last Thursday, juniors and seniors were brought to the auditorium for a presentation about manufacturing in the South Shore. I caught up with students to hear their thoughts. I also spoke with the presenters for more information about it.
I thought that the manufacturing presentation was very informative and that we got a lot out of it for those who don't want to go to college or those who are wanting to go to college but don't know what they want to major in. Manufacturing is a very good option for everyone.
Opportunities of the future are endless. So if you wanted to get into a job where you can address some of the world's problems and come up with those solutions, and you wanted a job that not only pays well, but also has excellent tenure, meaning you stick around for a long time, you can keep your job for a while. More so than many other industries here in Massachusetts, and manufacturing is right up your alley.
What they're looking for is people that are, whether you're a kid out of high school or an adult, someone that's eager and willing to learn and is a good communicator and a good listener.
I really enjoy what the school is doing so people can get their lives together in case they have nowhere to, nothing to do after college or before high school, after high school.
If you guys are interested in going into manufacturing, if you want to work with companies that make things, or if you want to start your own company to make things, go for it. Go to massmep.org, massmep.org, check us out, or you can email me or call me directly. My email is Sean, K, S-E-A-N-K, at massmep.org. Reach out to me, I'll help you get into something that could be a lot of fun for you. It's a great place to work in the industry of manufacturing, and if it's something that you're interested in, let's get started now. We'll help you out.
That's all for this week. I'm Niall Horgan of Code Blue News. Back to you in the studio.
This is me and my guy Brandon. If we were 6 feet, everybody would be like, "OMG, they're studs." They would look up to us, but God blessed us with 5'6".